magtindi. Ito po. Sir, dito ka na lang.
Kimberly Su Waichu, nabasa mo tong salaysay mo? Nabasa mo po itong salaysay consisting of 49 pages. Lahat po ng nandito totoo? Naiintindihan mo ang laman? Naiintindihan mo, ma'am, na kapag nagsinungaling ka, pwede kang kasuhan ng perjury. Ikaw ang pumirma dito. Baba na.
Wala kasi ito yung
Okay, Attorney Sai talked to us about the complaint file.
Today po, nag-file po si Ms. Kim ng criminal case against Ms. Lakambini Chu. Right now, yun lang po yung pwede namin i-share na details, and we are not authorized by our client to share further details.
Like what complaint? Anong complaint
Opo, we filed a criminal complaint for qualified theft. That's all we can share po for now, sir. And right now po, ang gusto pong ipahatid po na Miss Kim, I thank you po sa lahat ng nag-support po sa kanya. But right now, she also requests privacy during this difficult time in her life.
Okay, Attorney, I need to ask you na kasi nag-issue naman siya ng statement na lalabas na ng PBM.
Okay.
So, lalabas na rin din yung ilang details doon. And sinabi niya doon that discrepancies in the business. Anong business po ba yun?
Right now, I am not authorized to name the business, no? But I think fans would know kung ano po yung business ventures na she shared with Ms. Lakambini Chu.
Okay. Nakalagay din sa statement na it's a family matter and may attempts ba to resolve it internally?
Of course, there have been a lot of attempts. She reached out and the lawyers reached out also. But yun nga po, it has been also the statement of Ms. Kim na it has been a very difficult decision for her to do this and to proceed with this step.
May ano lang po ba, like, yung time frame nung discrepancies, was it just for this year?
For right now, we're looking at 2025, no? But that's all we can share po for now.
Grabe na, Attorney, umabot sa point na ganito. And it could have been resolved internally. So, ano yung tipping point?
Well, it's yung pong na-discover po ng ating client, no, of the discrepancies. And right now, that's all we can share po.
How many times lang try to resolve it internally? As far as you know?
As far as I know, no, I have been in 1 or 2 meetings, but I know there have been several times po na they reached out to each other po.
Right. And I see also here that the sister is here not to support. Si Twinkle, no? So parang nagkaroon ng focus. I was thinking parang the family tried to fix it.
Definitely.
What's happening? What's gonna happen after this?
Okay, after po nitong filing natin of the criminal case, maka-receive po ng subpoena ang mga sinampahan ng kaso, and then magkakaroon po ng preliminary investigation po para po sa pagsagot po ng mga kaso.
Actually, Attorney, months ago, hush-hush to eh. Narinig na namin ito, pero parang no one has confirmed it. No? Parang this really confirms that there was ano ba yung role niya? Nila kang sa negosyo?
Generally, I can say that she was part of the management of the business.
And parang siya yung pinagkakawalaan.
I think fans could infer also, and her supporters, they know naman po the history of Miss Kim and Miss Lakambini.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Attorney.